Dwayne here, CFRN. I'm going to assume that you already know who I am and who we are because you're watching this video on our YouTube channel. So I'm guessing that means either you subscribe to the YouTube channel or you're on our mailing list and you received an email with a link to this video in the email. So I won't burden you with all that we do. I'll just remind you that we have been teaching people how to trade since April of 2005. We only have one product. It is the CFRN Passport. And the Passport includes everything a trader needs for one low price. Now, what is everything a trader needs? Well, 9 out of 10 traders fail because they don't have a teacher. So that's the main ingredient. I know you've spent a lot of time, a lot of treasure trying to learn how to trade. You've bought endless indicators and oscillators. You've bought books. You've bought videos. You've been to chat rooms. You've hired gurus. But at the end of the day, you're still not a consistently profitable trader. Well, the simple reason 9 out of 10 fail is because they don't have a personal one-on-one teacher. So with the Passport, you do get group training every day, 2 hours, Monday through Friday, in our live training room. But you get unlimited one-on-one mentoring. And that's honestly just something you don't find anywhere else. As a Passport holder, you learn our proprietary methodology for trading E-mini futures and crude and gold and currencies. You also have access to our proprietary indicators. And you also have access to our Concierge Trade Alerts and our LOGIC247 Alerts. We just finished up week 102 of LOGIC247. LOGIC247 is our around-the-clock E-mini alert service. If you trade futures, you know the markets open Sunday night at 6 p.m. Eastern and remain open around the clock until Friday afternoon at 5 p.m. Eastern. You're as likely to get an alert in the Telegram channel at 2 a.m. as 2 p.m. It's all based upon when opportunity presents itself. Now, the week we just finished, we issued a total of 106 alerts. 15 of them never triggered. We had 84 actionable alerts. 15 of those were stopped out based on not risking more than $300 per contract per trade. That translates into 18% of the actionable alerts being stopped out. Now, the Passport is $5,000. But you know that. It's a lifetime membership. Because of the coronavirus, we're doing something we've never done before. This will be a limited offer. I won't insult you and tell you I've only got 5 seats left or 5 copies left or it's going to expire at midnight. But what I will tell you is that because we do provide one-on-one mentoring, we can only mentor so many people at any given time. So what we're offering, because of the situation with the economy, the coronavirus, people are losing jobs, money's tight. Some people, as much as they would like to become a CFRN member, a Passport holder, they just don't have $49.97 laying around to shell out in one chunk. So this is what we're doing. Again, it's limited time. This will expire at some point when there's more people than we can effectively train at one time. $97 a week. You can cancel anytime. All we ask for is 3 days notice. In other words, if you sign up on a Monday, you'll get billed another $97 the following Monday, and the following Monday, and the following Monday, until you do one of two things: cancel or decide, hey, wait a minute. If I pay these guys $97 a week for a year, I'm going to have spent this much money, and I'll still be paying them $97 a week. So on week 2, week 3, whenever you decide that you'd rather become a lifetime member than a weekly member, let us know. And this is the price it will cost you to upgrade from the weekly to the lifetime membership. If you decide to cancel, again, just give us 3 days notice before your next billing date, and we'll let you still finish out the week, but we'll never bill you again. To get started, all you have to do is go to eminifuturestrading.com. Right there. Now, since you're on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/CFRN, watch some of the videos. Now, each daily show is about 2 hours long. I don't expect you to watch the entire show, but if you at least fast forward up to the point where Michael does a recap of the live training room, and then I do a recap of all the alerts that have been issued and triggered over the last 24 hours, you'll get a real quick idea of what we do, how we do it, what we're all about. Okay? Now, when you go to eminifuturestrading.com, that's going to look a little something like this. Okay? And all you got to do is click the Start Now button. And there's several of those throughout the page. Click it, click it. It's going to take you to PayPal. You can pay with your PayPal account, or you can use a bank card of your choice. Either way, you'll be billed $97, and you'll be billed $97 every week until you choose to cancel or upgrade to the lifetime membership. Okay? It's really that simple. If you have any questions at all, call us at the phone number you see up here, 949-42-EMINI, or send us an email, support@cfrn.net. Now, the live training room opens every day, Monday through Friday, at 9:30 a.m., and it's open until 11:30 a.m. Eastern. Then we take a 30-minute break, and then we come back and do a 2-hour live broadcast, and those are the years of videos that you'll find here on the YouTube channel. Now, the Telegram channel opens Sunday night at 6 p.m. Eastern when the Globex futures market opens. And most Sunday nights are pretty active. So I hope to see you there this Sunday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. Again, if you have any questions, 949-42-EMINI, support@cfrn.net. And to get started, all you got to do is go right here to eminifuturestrading.com. See you on the internet.